$75 million. Never heard anything for about a year until last.
Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back again, my wisdom warriors. I hope you all doing good. Anyway, let me get into this one. Coming on, waste no time around here. Soldier charge after allegedly shooting a woman. Wanna hear that? Soldier charge after allegedly shooting a woman. So why they must say allegedly? Because he won't be charged then. You understand? Make it make sense. He won't be charged if he never do the shooting. Anyway, to stay on the safe side, I will say allegedly also. A soldier who allegedly fired a gun at a woman in the presence of a police team last July has been charged with several offences following a ruling by the Director of Public Prosecutions. 32-year-old Rowan Green of Greentown District, Trelawney, is charged with shooting with intent, using a firearm to commit a felony and assault occasioning actual bodily harm. So my viewers and subscribers, that's what I tell you about them soldiers, some of them. So I don't understand these people. Me really not understand them because guess what? A whole heap of things them there, the soldier them. You understand? The soldier them and the police also. Them always do one bag of things. And when nobody come out and say nothing, everybody get vexed. You understand? You see, sometimes the resident then get angry, or you see people get angry upon the police and soldier them. It is a reason. It's because how them treat them. You understand? We don't see the way how the soldier other day beat up the woman. We don't see. We don't see the way how the man kick the woman and take a gun and lick the woman. We don't see. A whole heap of things they keep up. This is why Horace Chang don't want them to wear no body cam. This is why Horace Chang do not want them to wear the body cam and them need to wear it. You understand? Because enough time them are hurt the resident them. You get me? This is why I say the resident they always behave how them behave. Anytime the soldier them run out, and notice, anytime Andrew only send out SOEs them, more people dead. More people dead. Anytime, wanna check the levels. Anytime he send out Zozo or send out the soldier them or whatever they want to call themselves, yeah, you see more people dead. Boy, me I tell you no, Jah know, God knows. Sometimes I just don't understand. But you know what? I'm glad he didn't get charged because you see, a lot of time they get away with things. A lot of time they get away with things and we don't have nobody to stand up for we. Jamaican people do not have nobody to stand up for them. All human rights what them have in a Jamaica. Only 1 and 2 times I see them run out. 1 and 2 times. But there is nobody whatsoever to stand up for the Jamaican people. Them nobody. This is why I encourage you all the time to work together as a team. Come together as a team. Demonstrate. Protest, not because something that happened to you. You don't know when it will reach a fear door or one of your family member door. That's why I say, if you come out and protest, anytime nothing happen to anybody, you come together, unite. And that you don't need to do, unite. But you're not doing that. You're not doing that. And it's just a sad situation. You get me? You can't just allow the police and soldier to deal with we. Remember, so then claims that the soldier them to serve and protect we. But really and truly, if you go read about it, and we them are protecting you. Are the government, Andrew Wellness them, not we. My viewers and subscribers, want to tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. JUTC workers withdraw service in Portmore over stabbing of driver. JUTC workers withdraw service in Portmore over stabbing of driver. The police are advising members of the public to expect delays as drivers of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, who ply the route Portmore to downtown Kingston, have withdrawn their services. The driver's action came as a result of a colleague being stopped by a passenger. The male passenger reportedly requested a stop at an area that is not a designated bus stop. The driver refused, resulting in the passenger stabbing him. But them people are not easy. Una hear them something here? But this man is not easy. He want the man stop somewhere where man not supposed to stop, and then kick off and then he must stop. Come on, man. What is this? What is this? What is really going on our island? What is really happening to our country? The demon really lego, you know? It really lego, and we have to pray against all these things. Because, listen, come on. I want them to the people, them. I want to go on. Because the man no want to stop this or that. Hey, them suck me out of hardness. My wisdom warriors. I do not blame the JUTC workers. Of course, withdraw on a service. Withdraw on a service because it's like una not safe. Listen, una have these buses as well. Una have to protect una drivers also. Una have to go glass up. Una have to glass up. Full time now, una glass up. You get me? Because them something ain't alright. School children among over 30 people injured in crash along Portmore Tull Road. More than 30 people, including school children, have been taken to hospital following a motor vehicle crash along the Portmore Tull Road in St. Catherine this morning. The single vehicle crash involving a yellow Toyota Coaster bus happened sometime after 7 a.m. Head of the Constabulary Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gary Mackenzie, says the bus was heading to Kingston when it ran off the roadway. He says investigations are underway to determine the cause of the crash. When you hear them something, I know the bus just run off at the roadway. No, sir. I wonder if listen, it look like he might drive fast and he lose control. I must that because when you see them bus driver, yeah, simple as when you see them bus driver, yeah, them always a shut it. Hey, when me say them a seal, not even seal a man seal them both, so it's just the truth. Yes, all the hotel bus them, a real thing, me I tell you no, my wisdom warriors, real thing, them a type of bus, yeah, no drive slow. You hear me? And the pitney them now go on, no bus will drive slow. You see, if you're a very slow bus driver, I'm sorry for you because they now come spend them money with you. No, sir. Them a go on the bus, them will seal and uno fi stop it. Uno fi stop drive fast. Because me can't understand how the bus just run off of the road, so. You understand? That means say he might drive fast and he lose control. This is just my opinion. Maybe I not saw it go my viewers and subscribers. You understand me? But if remember I know and I like say a car lick up in him, you get me? So most likely I must that. You understand? But you don't need to ease up. Me always come here and tell you no for easy on the road. Easy upon the road, brother. Because a human being in the bus. When uno alone drive, uno drive fast. But when uno have passenger, uno drive slow. You understand? Uno fi drive slow, man. Life can't buy, you know. Life cannot buy. Uno hear what me say? Life cannot buy. So when uno up on the road and uno have people pitney in the car, right? In the bus, uno fi take time drive. You understand? That's not a good thing because people just lose them life. It look like you don't see what go on. Amount of accident you see happen every single blasted day and you still drive fast. It come like you not learn. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think, yeah, man, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
People's National Party remains gravely concerned about the Speaker's intransigent failure to withdraw her published letter to the Clerk to the Houses, despite widespread demands for her to do so. Last week, Tuesday, in the House of Representatives, the opposition called for the withdrawal of this letter, as it violates well-established public sector employment practices and amounts to nothing short of reprehensible maladministration and an abuse of power.
My wisdom warrior, You see, Juliet Wallace now, she not have nothing about herself. Wanna hear me? She not have nothing about herself. And Mark Golden is so right. She shouldn't withdraw the letter. She choose not to. This is why I'm telling her, say, them come and then do as them like and do as them please. You wanna see the way how she a react already? Just imagine if Jamaica turn republic. Just imagine how them people would be horrible to Jamaican people and the public sector. You listen, you sleep on Mark that, you know. You sleep on Mark dead, my wisdom warriors. Mark Golden is very right. When I hear him say it is an abuse of power, it is for true. She know what she do. You understand? She know exactly what she's doing. And she need to lift up from out the House of Parliament. Really and truly, this is not a joke thing, you know.
The opposition also notes that the repercussions of the Speaker's conduct extend beyond the clerk. It has given rise to significant consternation within the public service, as not only was it issued without proper legal authority, but it also seriously violates basic principles of good employment relations in the public sector. Such actions, particularly from an elected official holding the high office of Speaker of the House, seriously erode public trust and confidence in our democratic institutions. It is imperative that we hold our leaders to high standards of good governance and accountability. The Speaker's refusal to retract the letter has only deepened the breach of trust that had already been seriously eroded by the irregular process concerning the two Auditor General reports.
My wisdom warrior, these people no care about people's feelings. They don't care. No matter how good you is to them, if them are going to throw you under the bus and they want to, them are going to throw you under the bus to save themselves. You understand? When push come to shove, they don't care. Them are going to push you underneath the bus. When I try to tell you, say no, she now retract the letter. This for sure the whole reason why none of them not sign the code of conduct, because of all these things. They don't care about public relations with them. They don't care. They just want Jamaica to turn republic so they can do as them like and do as them please. They just want to run Jamaica like a family affairs. That's all them do. They're not business about nothing. Because if the opposition leader is calling for that, you understand, and she refuse, who the hell she thinks she is about she's refusing? Who the hell she thinks she is? And then they have the audacity to send out Nesta Morgan him. You understand? If you come and chat bullshit. I that them there, you know. Send out Nesta Morgan. The video when me post this morning, last night, if you not check the video, them wanna hear me talk about it. Send out Nesta Morgan if you come chat bullshit. You get me? Nesta Morgan in their meeting, press conference, and them ask him about this, and them talk about they have serious matter. What you mean you have serious matter? How no means that you have serious matter? Me not understand. So this is not serious matter. This is not serious matter. When Juliet Wallace, she have the report, them sit down pan from Wappy kill Philip. Yeah, you know so that was a serious matter also. And the Auditor General, you make you know say it is a serious matter. You know say you no fit for in a House of Parliament. None of you no fit for in a House of Parliament. You no fi come out and go on a yard. You understand? Because listen, if she don't want to share the opinions, my viewers and subscribers, you think say she go retract back a letter? She just abuse the power. Who the hell she think she is? You know, so sometimes I get upset with Paul. Me don't know when go take up his hand for and go second it. Me don't know who tell him. Me don't know which demon whisper in a female ears and tell him for second it. I know the woman and Madam Speaker cause pure problem in a House of Parliament. My viewers and subscribers, JFJ renew call for government to reverse decision to subsume political ombudsman into ECJ. When I hear this here, JFJ, the executive director of Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ Michael Jackson, is repeating calls for the government to repeal the decision to subsume the office of the political ombudsman into the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ. When I hear this here, but my thing is, you know, me say it already and me go say it again in one of my video. Me can't understand why everybody are run out now. Why everybody are run out now? Remember them do this. Remember Remember, they implement it few days or just say a week before election. Yeah? And nobody no come out and talk about it. Nobody. Only the black of them. Only the black of them alone. You understand? And Mark Golding and MP them on the opposition side. Them alone did talk about it. Say it is dangerous for Jamaica. And nobody never come out and say anything. But me tell you no, me say it already and me go say it again. Yeah, this was all a plan. The political ombudsman was a plan. You understand? Yes, it was a plan. This is why Delroy, Chuck, Andrew Wellness, Juliet Wellness, the whole of them rush it. Because remember, Mark Golding never know nothing about it. He never have an idea about it. Then just come in a parliament few days. Yeah? Few or just say a week before. Bring it to parliament. Table it out and everything. And implement everything. In the next day, that them do so then take 2 days. 2 days then take to do that. You understand me? And it wasn't right. But they were only doing it just because they want Andrew Wellness to win. And that was the only reason why yesterday them did a rush it so much. Yes, because Mark Golding said to them, it is dangerous for Jamaica. You must go think about it. You understand? For agree. And Mark Golding disagree with the decision. You understand? Because he need more time. But them still go ahead. Come in a parliament the next day and implement it, even though the opposition, no side on the opposition never agreed to it. This is why I kept telling you, say, it look like Jamaica Republic, undercover republic or something where we don't know about. It seems like it. Because if Andrew Wellness can take up himself and sign some more agreement, will last for 20 years. Why him wanna do? Why him wanna do? I don't understand him. You get me? So now you see the JFJ come out and I say, yes, I want to know if you come out and say, but why you never come out for a long time? Meanwhile, Miss Jackson says the public has yet to hear from the ECJ on controversial comments made by a member of Parliament for Southwest St. Catherine, Everald Warmington, 2 months ago. No, me dey wonder when somebody actually go come out and talk about this. I was really wondering. Come in and say no member of Parliament come out and say nothing about this. And Principal Director of the National Integrity Action, NIA, Daniel Archer, has asserted that without good governance, the economic achievements of the government are irrelevant. And this is so true. This is so true, my viewers and subscribers. A real talk this year. Real talk. You hear what she said? She said, the Principal Director of the National Integrity Action, NIA, Daniel Archer, has asserted that without good governance, the economic achievements of the government are irrelevant. And it is. Number one, let me start it with the good governance. What them no want to do. Signing the code of conduct. That is one. That is one. You understand? Saying about Everald Warmington, how they fire Everald Warmington, and now Everald Warmington cock up in a house of parliament every single blasted day. That at all. Listen to me, my viewers and subscribers. Listen to me. You see, these people, they don't have nothing about them. No credibility they don't have. And it's just the truth. They're showing it every single day. They must show them colors every single day. Non-stop. Non-stop. And you know what? We have to take the power in our hand now, The power in our hand, And we have to go to, and touch the road, You understand? And demonstrate and protest against these things. You get me? We have to do what we need to do, my viewers and subscribers. Because we can't just sit back, and allow everything to happen just like that. Remember saying, when you see Mark Golding try, he might try his best. He might explain to them. He might tell them, so that is not right. That's not the way to go. And them still do as them like, as them please. Mark Golding need a hand. So we have to take it to the streets and start protests. My viewers and subscribers, real thing, real talk. You understand? If you not just go sit down and that's it, well, listen and just say, oh, God I got this and God I got that, I want to sit down. God help those who help themselves. You understand? So we have to start touch the road. We have to touch the street and start protest. We can't just sit down and say, God I go angle it. We have to stop talk about God I go angle it. God wants to say we are moved to action speak louder than word. My wisdom warrior, me I go show a small clip with Lisa Hanna. And the reason why me I show this clip is just to show the meds where Everald Warmington hold. the type of way how she deal with the people them, because Lisa Hanna asked him about something and he take nearly 2 years. You understand? For finalize the money. Remember, whether PNP or JLP, Everall Warmington deal with the money, me tell you already. So no just take in Lisa Hanna. Hear what she have to say.
This is a road update for the residents of Southeast St. Anne. Many of you would have remembered that 2 years ago I wrote to the NWA to ask them for help to rehabilitate the Golden Grove to the Higgintown section of the constituency, that is the entire main road. They came, they did the estimate, it was about $275 million. Never heard anything for about a year, until last year, June 2021, when Minister Warmington thankfully called me to say, look, $30 million has been approved for the road. Once the agency fee would have been taken out, it would have left $27 million, about 10% of the original cost. Just now, a year later, I was called today to say finally the contract has been awarded to a contractor. So this is 2 years later for the road to start. The name of the contractor is MacCon, and hopefully they will start shortly.
So my wisdom warriors, see, 2 years later, 2 years it take Everall Warmington to approve the money. Me I telling about these people. 2 years later, remember Lisa Hanna, remember Lisa Hanna come out, and I talk about her constituency and I talk about the road, my viewers and subscribers. These are the things Everall Warmington do, to the PNP, Always a sabotage them, Always a sabotage them. Well, the last time when they talk about the bridge, what him say? What did he say? Him say, and that bridge are not the only bridge need for fixing in Jamaica. You understand? And him will not do nothing. That him say. So me don't know how Andrew Holness have this mania. I deal with them as something here. And it look like Andrew Holness are gonna move him. Look like Andrew Holness are gonna move him. We have to go out and we have to protest against Everall Warmington, because he now go stop sabotage the PNP. A long time him do it, and he say it out in own mouth. God make him expose his own self. And we know the people have to react to it by going out and demonstrating against these things. You understand? This is why I'm showing Lisa Hanna and showing the levels of things. My wisdom warrior, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about